In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Google Play subscription history. If you want to check which subscriptions are currently active, see services you've canceled in the past, or review your past Google Play transactions, this process is very straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can find both your subscription list and your payment history inside the Google Play Store app. To begin, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account that was used to purchase the subscriptions you want to review. This is important because if you have more than one Google account on your device, the information you see will depend on which account is currently selected in the Play Store. Once the Play Store is open, look to the top right corner of the screen and tap your profile icon. This will open the main account menu where Google Play keeps settings related to purchases, memberships, and account activity. From this menu, choose Payments and Subscriptions. This is the section where you can manage anything related to recurring charges, payment methods, and spending activity in the Play Store. Next, tap Subscriptions. Here you'll be able to view your Google Play subscriptions, including active services and canceled ones. This is useful if you want to confirm whether a subscription is still running, check renewal details, or simply review digital services you've had connected to your account before. Take a moment to look through the list carefully, especially if you're trying to identify an unfamiliar charge or confirm whether something has already been canceled. After that, go back and tap Budget and History. This section lets you review your transaction records in more detail. It's the place to check your purchase history and see charges connected to your Google Play account. If you're looking for a record of when a subscription payment was processed, this is usually the best section to review. It can also help if you need to match a charge on your bank statement with a purchase made through Google Play. And that's it. By using the subscription section for active and canceled services and the budget and history section for transaction records, you can get a much clearer picture of your Google Play subscription activity. If something doesn't appear right away, double check that you're using the correct Google account in the Play Store before reviewing the menus again.